Residential Wholesale Cum Coaching Center for Banking, SSC, Insurance, le State Exam atrangin ania. Voina kan zirtu he ratio and proportion part 1 a base level ami questions tekha ane. Banking a mo ani lo insurance mo state exam le SSC a question lo pal stay a big in state level exam a question poi mo tekha ane. Voina kan zirtu te he hemi coaching center emo hostel dutan coaching emo hostel dutan chuan hemi phone number 9089 3 pathum 481 SMI de hi in contact mai don nia voina kan to question number 1 akan dut nga nga if A is to B equal to 1 is to 5 ania B is to C equal to 4 is to 7 ania ani jan zong ro an ti chu enge kan ti chuan A le C ratio ha ani hemi A le hemi C ratio ha enge ani ti hen chuan hemi 1 ania helai han 7 ani direct answer kan du chuan hei hi ani A kha 1 ida patanga into ida ang chuan 1 ida zo kan hemi 4 kan ipun tir ang 1 into 4 is to chuan 7 kha ida lenga into chuan 7 kha hemi 5 khan ipun dirang into 5 that is 4 is to 35 ani hei hi atoi theyam bera kan cho thei kha ani mase a process pangai anga kalta ina A is to B kha 1 is to 5 ania B is to C kan ti hi 4 is to 7 ani chodam chi thrang thangoma mase a all sum ber le chin chi all sum ber chu hei hi ani hemi B le hela jon B le B kha ai na ani chumi ni jon hela ya mi B te pani hei 5 le 4 kha include in lo da angai chumi include tur jon hei ama sa zo ka mi hi A is to B hi hela ya mi 4 kha ipun tiranga chuan B is to C kha hela ya mi 5 kha ipun tirang engei mu kan ti chuan 4 is to 4 into 1 is 4 4 5 are 20 chuan hela khan 5 4 are 20 chuan 5 7 are 35 B le B kha into to ni bang chuan A is to B is to C kha enge kan ti chuan 4 is to 20 is to 35 ani le kan M chu enge kan ti A is to C zon kha ani A is to C kan ti chuan hemi A le C kha 4 is to 35 hei hi question number 1 answer kha ani question number 2 a kan du danga question number 2 a po khan ABC ratio ani 2B equal to 5B equal to 6C ani hetianga questions alo ka khan a all sum ber to hei hi ani A is to B is to C direct in zong nga lang A is to B is to C in lo ti chuan in zong dang tur chu hemi 2 le 5 le 6 atrangin LCM in zongang 2 5 le 6 LCM chu enge kan ti chuan LCM zong dang pa ngai khal mang shim shim ta ila hei hi ani 2 ai lo ti chuan hei hi 1 5 3 ani hela kan common term factor inanga sem thei ong to wangin 5 2 10 10 3 30 ani LCM kan lo mu chu hi 30 ani ani le A chu enge ani kan ti chuan hemi LCM in lo mu chu kha hemi 2 khan in semang 30 divided by 2 chu enge kan ti chuan 10 ani chu tiang zel in 30 LCM kha hemi 2 khan isem chuan 10 ania LCM 30 divided by 5 chu enge kan ti chuan 6 ani 5 6 are 30 chuan LCM 30 kha 6 ai lo sem chuan 5 ani A is to B is to C ratio kha 10 is to 6 is to 5 question number 2 answer in lo muna kha ani helai khan soile ta ila abul trangin het tiang forma alo khan LCM in la chumi LCM in lo mu chu kha hemi 2 ni sem kha A ratio ni anga LCM kha 5 ai lo sem chun 6 imua LCM kha 6 ai lo sem khan 5 imua ni het tiang forma alo ma kan so chu dan kha ani number 3 het yanga A by 2 B by 5 C by 9 tia alo khan direct in hei all samani mai A kan ti hi chu 2 ti na ni maya B kan ti chun a ratio to 5 ti na ni maya C kan ti chun 9 kha a ratio ani mai a zia khat tu na khan helai achung lama alo omin le denominator so alo omin tuna a case ka inen khan helai khan 3 te 4 5 ti te ko khan om the ani chumi chen ipun tir bai tu kha ani question number 4 a kan rudam question number 4 a khan hey hi ani twice of a is equal to thrice of b himayam and 4b is equal to 5c ani hemi a le b a is to b in laws of don jon hai khan a kan ti hi 3 ti na ania b kan ti chuan 2 ti na ani a is to b to 3 is to 2 ti na ani chuan helai ko khan b is to c in laws of don chuan b kan ti chu 5 ania chuan c kan ti chuan 4 ti na ani ani chuan helai kan aim chu enge a le c value son chu ani direct a zong du kan ni bang chen hemi 3 kha hemi 5 khan ipun tiranga hemi 4 kha hemi 2 khan ipun tirang example mu kha 3 5 or 15 ania chuan 4 2 or 8 ani ani chen a is to c ratio kan ti chuan 15 is to 8 ina ani hemi direct lova in lo zong don chuan hei hi ani direct lova chuan enge 3 is to 2 that is 5 is to 4 ani chumi chen hei hi equation number 1 angin ngai bel ta chumi chun hemi 5 khan ipun tiranga hemi 2 kha hemi te pani include turani bang chuan hemi 2 kha helai mi 5 khan ipun tirani chuan helai mi 5 kha helai mi 2 khan ipun tir le thungam enge nu kha 15 is to 5 2 or 10 then how much you get here 2 5 or 10 and 2 4 8 then how much you get here a is to b is to c enge muang kan ti chuan 15 is to 10 is to 8 ani question number 14 hi kan so ani so question number 5 a lut le ta ina question number 5 a kan third proportional question number 6 a mean proportional question number 7 a fourth proportional zon tur kha ani elai kan third proportional ilo zon don chuan direct shortcut method ilo apply don du ani chuan third proportional in tingala helai a second number kha in motro 18 kha a double in la 18 into 18 in tiang divided by 6 chuan helai tranga in mu chua hi it will be the third proportional ani 6 3 or 18 18 3 or 54 hey hi in answer ani nga mai do ani ma se akal mang dik tak anga alo kam don chuan third proportional laws on don chuan 6 is to 18 proportional to 18 is to x hey hi ani third proportional local da tu kha chumi a chen helaya proportional omani bang chen product of the extreme le product of the means forming in enam pro extreme te kha eng te kan ti chen hemi 6 le hemi x ipun tir atanga imu chu product of the extreme ani extreme te kha hemi te pani means kan ti dekha 18 alai mi te pani kha means te kha ane chon kan sheet tur chu product of the extreme is equal to product of the means ani chumi yom zia chu 6 le x ipun tir chon 6x ani chon hei hi enge 18 into 18 hemi te pani ipun tir kha product of the extreme hemi te pani ipun tir kha product of the means ani chon hei le hei cancel out 3 then you get here 54 is the third proportion ani third proportional zon dan kha hei hi ani so next mean proportional ilo zon don chuan direct method a chuan etinan 6 le 18 a khan mean proportional zon lo ti ta is root over of 6 into 18 helai tranga in mu chua hi in answer ni mal mai don ani mase tu na mi question a khan mean proportional of hei hi ani chumi chon root over of direct method a chon 0.04 into 0.09 ani 0.09 hello ya khan chen khat chon hei point in the power 4 divided by 100 into 9 divided by 100 hei hi ngai lo direct in helai khan point zonu khan in pair khatom pair khat ani chon hei hi eng square nge kan ti chuan 2 ani chuan point zo khan pair exactly on pair khan chen pakhat point into point zonu khan pair pakhatom ani chon 9 to eng square nge kan ti chuan 3 point zonu kan pair pakhat omani wang chuan pakhat point. Then how much you get here? 2 3 are 6. Point zonu kan place pakhat, point zonu kan place pakhat ani chuan pakhat le pakhat chu pani ani. Pakhat pani point. 0.06 ka in answer ani don ani. A process pa nga ya ni n nita ina chuan hei ani. Process pa nga ya chuan hei ni 0.04 is to x proportion to x is to 0.09 ani. Product of the extreme ka hei ani ya. Product of the means ka hei ani. X into x is x squared equal to 0.04 into 0.09 ina ani. Ani chuan x ilo zam don chuan enge root over of 0.04 into 0.09 ani. Nichina kan soyang khan hey pair zo khan point pakhat ani wang chuan 4 chu eng square kan ti chuan 2 ani. Point zo nu khan pair pakhat ani chuan pakhat point. Chuan helai ko khan pair pakhat ani chuan 9 kan ti chu 3 ani. Pakhat point. And you get here 0.06 ani. Question number 6 answer here 0.06 ani. Question number 7 kan lut ang. Question number 7 kan a process pangai lo direct chuan hei ani. Direct in zam du chuan helai a last two ka ipuntirang. A last two ipuntir divided by a first kan isemang. Helai tranga imu chua ka in answer ani. 20 ka a fourth proportional along ninga ang. Voi hat sei ang fourth proportion direct method in du chuan a last two ka ipuntirang somli le somthum divided by a first term kan insemang 32 to 20 ani chuan fourth proportional to 20 tina ani. A process panga ya loop ta ila hei hi ani. 60 is to 40 proportional to 30 is to x inani. X ka fourth proportional long ita set inani. Hela kan product of the extreme chuan hemi te pani ipuntiranga chuan product of the means kan hemi te pani ipuntir don ani. Ani chuan 60 into x kan ti chuan 60x inani ya. 40 into 30 to 40 into 30. Hela kan eng wange sang khat jan hi ya kan da lo ti hiom the ani. Achan chu hela minen cancel tho turani wang chuan helai kan va puntir le kher kha ngai lo chuan bial pakhat 3 2 or 6 2 20 or 40 then you get here x is equal to 20.